Today we are discussing about the identity server with gRPC, how this identity server is working and what are the things which are implemented in this project. So we have used Java as a Java programming language and Redis database to store the information. Main purpose of this project to show password encryption using hash and salt, and secondly to encrypt the communication between server and the client. For this project, I created user model class which have all the attributes related to user, and I store this class as a JSON format in database. This is identity server. This is a server class with SSL context. It also adds the shutdown hook for Redis. So whenever server is killed, Redis server also killed. The util file ensures our Redis database is persistent as we are saving data every transaction. So this is our client. To test the functionality, I created an interactive client. I have also created automated test suites which run few tests such as valid certificate exception, check user exist, and password matching authentication exception. For these tests to run, please ensure the server is running at 5051 port. Let's start the testing. So I have started the server on port 5051. This is at the certificate file, and this is the key. So server is running. Now I'm running all these three test suites. So all these tests are passed. Now let's test the functionalities of this identity server. So the server is already started, and I have started the client on port number 5051, and this is a certificate which we have specified in the server also. So as you can see, the client is started, and I have created some help function for the help purpose. It will display what are the options available uh, in which what are the options available to choose. First, I did the list all info, and it gives all the information about all the users which currently exist in the database. And now, after this, I have created this new user, Aisha Walia, and the new client user ID is created, which is a unique ID. And I have created another user, uh, and the new client user ID is created at 19. So after doing list all info, it will give me the it will it will give the give all the details of the users. So here it is comes Aisha and Ankush, which we created just now. And after doing this, I have given this list logins. This command gives all the login names which exist in the database. And after this, I have tried to modify the login name. First, I have tried with the incorrect passwords, and it give me the error, password incorrect, please enter correct password. Then after giving the correct password, I tried to modify the user login name, so it updated successfully, and our login name is changed from Ankush to Rajni. And after that, so you can see, like, this username has been changed from Ankush to Rajni on for the 19th user ID. So after doing list IDs, this show the user IDs which exist in the database. And now the lookup command. So here I have give the lookup and the login name. So I have gave the Ankush username here. So it will check the database, and Ankush does not exist in this database, and hence it gives the user does not exist in database. Now I have give the correct login name Rajni, and it shows all the details of Rajni. This is lookup, and now we will see the reverse lookup. I have given the user ID in this. So reverse lookup 1. So it will give the error like incorrect request, because I have wrongly typed this lookup command, and after giving the correct input, so it gives the user details of for user ID. And if the user does not exist in the database, it simply throws the uh, error like user does not exist in database. And here I have deleted this user from the database by giving the login name and the password. So after deleting this user, it, it removes the user Aisha, which was present on 18, and now it does not exist in the database.